Hey everyone, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. In case you were looking for a little bit of inspiration today, I have three beautiful journals to share with you from a very talented artist. These are from Amber. These are from Amber, Delightful Creations by Amber on YouTube. This one's called Vintage Red. I love this fabric. I would so love a tote bag. This is like a tote bag type, like a canvas fabric, or even curtains out of this. Isn't that beautiful? Love the butterfly. So this is a single signature, 8 3/4 by 5 2/4. And I love the vintage kind of red vibe that this has. Kind of just a traditional junk journal with papers and pieces of ephemera. This is the kind I like to work in, kind of just like a notebook with lots of cool pages. You can really make it your own and enjoy each page by putting your spin on it. And then having a color theme like this is always fun, especially to try new things. It could be really good for Valentine's Day as well. It wouldn't have to be, but it could be. And you, even if you did not want to do a super Christmassy journal, it could be kind of Christmas through Valentine's Day. It's kind of the perfect size for someone who gets occasional time to journal. There's that one. This says Believe in Love. It feels really good in your hand, and I love the red ribbon. I think a red ribbon makes just a great statement closure. Fun. And then this is the next journal. I love this, and this reminds me of a journal that I had done. Is it this one? It still hasn't sold yet. That's why, yeah. So I thought someone might like to see it again, that this is still available. See how she made the cover out of this old music book? Well, this journal, and this is still for sale in my shop. This one was inspired by the same type of thing, and it is an old music notebook on the inside. Isn't that cool? So this one is a vintage farmhouse theme with lots of cool mixed media in it. So if you're interested in this, it's still looking for a home. I created that one. And then this is the one we are flipping through today. I love the old music book as the front cover. Oh, and I might, hopefully I don't have it upside down. Oh, that's a top loading pocket. I get it. Okay. So this is called A Musical Day. 8 3/4 by 5. Oh, look at that paper. Love that. All those postage stamps. And again, that wonderful, almost traveler's notebook feel with the different pages that just give you inspiration, but you really don't feel too overwhelmed. You feel like you can get in and use the journal, actually get in here, pick a page and use it, especially if you're looking for a journal to use. This would look really good on the shelf. And I love that cover. We got coffee dyed papers and calendar pages and doilies, stamped pages. Ooh, some mulberry paper. Some nice thick pages as well if you want to play with mixed media. Perfect all around journal. I love that font, the script, gold script. And we're reinforced with fabric and have some cute lace just on the edges here. Nice little yarn closure, and I think that's either a cello or a violin, and a music note. I think this is the fabric, Tim Holtz fabric washi tape on the spine that's been stitched on. Love that. And then a little pink, because we always have to have pink, right? It says, Be Brave. It's fabric cover. Isn't that beautiful? Love the little tassels. Faith and Love. This is also by Amber. Got some glitter accents. Of course, this would be absolutely wonderful for Valentine's Day as well. But you could use it at any time, especially if you enjoy flowers and pink. And there's a good bit of purple in here as well. So you can always pull the purple out if you prefer the purple. cute little booklets and different papers. I love the eclectic vibe, just kind of letting the pages flow one to another. Have a little bit of everything in here. Even a few stickers that you can use. That's cute. Look at how cute that is as well. Definitely one you want to get right into and start using and journaling. And since we're coming up on a new year, you may want several journals to have on hand. You never know which one you're going to want to use next. Got a beautiful fairy there in the back. I hope you'll take a second to look through the journals that are still available that have been discounted in my shop, nevermorecreations17.com, and you probably find a couple fun ones to set aside for journaling next year. I hope that you will, and maybe your New Year's goals are to journal a little bit more or to increase your collection or gift some more. So 3 more options, and there are several on the website as well that need a home. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me looking at these really pretty journals from Amber. My favorite is the music one. I love this cover, but they're all so amazing. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. I'll see all of you again soon with more amazing journals.